These cruisers take the comfort, adjustability, power, and performance derived from the Ninja to the next level. The 2026 Vulcan S and Vulcan S Cafe ABS feature a liquid-cooled DOHC parallel twin 649cc engine, a sport bike-derived chassis and suspension, sporty handling, and the ability to find the perfect fit with the ErgoFit system. ErgoFit is a proprietary sizing system that creates a perfect fit for riders of all sizes by offering adjustments to the seat, foot pegs, and handlebars to accommodate the rider's height and reach. The Kawasaki Vulcan S, Vulcan S ABS, and Vulcan S Cafe ABS sport cruisers are designed to fit a wide range of riders with the exclusive ErgoFit sizing system. Powered by a Ninja-derived 649cc engine, the Vulcan S delivers strong power with ample low to mid-range torque for an exhilarating riding experience. This configuration is a starting point for riders of shorter to average height. The handlebars are positioned 1 inch closer to the rider for a more confident riding experience, while the specially designed reduced reach seat tapers and shifts the rider 2 inches forward. The foot pegs are positioned rearward for optimal leg stretch. Kawasaki's 2026 lineup has the right models for riders, welcoming the return of several naked, retro, touring, adventure, cruiser, and EV models to its street motorcycle lineup. The Vulcan S is designed to transport riders into a sporty world with bold style. Combining aggressive riding with vintage styling and a powerful 649cc engine, the Vulcan S adds confidence-inspiring performance to every ride.